We are going to see how to allow app to run in background on Android devices. It's actually pretty easy, so don't skip the video so you don't miss any step. Head over to your settings application, and once you are there, scroll down until you see the option of, and here if you can't find the battery and device care section, go to this device care option right here, and you will find the option of battery. Head over there, and here go to background usage limits. And here you will find the option of never auto sleeping apps. So here you have to tap on the plus icon on the top right, and here select any app you want to run in your background. So suppose I'm selecting this too, and then tap on add. And here these two apps are selected for never to sleep are allowed to run on your background in your Android device. And this is also important to note that if you allow your certain apps to run on the background, this also affects your battery health life or battery life. So yeah, this thing you just might need to know, and make sure you just allow those apps that are essential or important to you. So yeah, this is how you can just allow app to run in your background on your Android device. Hope this video helps, and we'll see you in the next one.